What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's Alex over here in the garage, and today I got a product kind of review, and this is kind of something that I seen on some other channels. I think even Seth preview some of this. This is a BIKEVLIP, and I was reached out by BIKEVLIP to test out this product, and they sent this to me, and it comes like this, basically just like this. And this is the little thing that you put on the handlebar so you can work on your bike upside down. And right off the bat, it feels really sturdy, and it kind of clips right here. It has a little hole with the male and female that you can just put together, and they just hold close like that very well. And this is kind of good timing because I got to work on one of my bikes and my bike stand broke down, so I'm gonna have to be working with my bike upside down, which is not a big deal meanwhile. And I think these are gonna be coming really handy because the bike that I'm gonna be working on is gonna be my e-bike. And as you know, we have controllers and everything, screens and everything on the handlebar. And this is gonna keep them from scratching. So let me show you how's that done. So literally all you gotta do is take them apart and put them over like this. They will open up like so, with one on each side. And then you just flip your bike and then you should be good to go. Come over, grab your bike, press the brake, flip it, and put it upside down. Just like so. And as you can see, it's set up really well. Nothing is touching the floor, nothing's getting scratched. My brakes, my controllers, everything is out of the way. And these are pretty heavy bags, so you don't even have to hold the little clip-it things. They stay open like that, and it's a win-win. So overall, I think this is a really good product. It's about $20-something, like $25. I'll leave a link in the description below. I don't know if there's gonna be a code, but there's a code. I'll leave it down in there as well so that you can get an advantage of this deal and check them out. And like I said, these things are really compact. You can have them on your hydration pack or your fanny pack or whatever. Keep them with you at all times. That way, whenever you're out on the trail, you can just go ahead and flip your bike if you need to change the chain or change a tire or repair a flat or whatever you need to do. This is a great product. I highly recommend it. So with that said, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. I hope that you liked this product. If you did, check it out in the description below. Otherwise, I guess I will see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.